Everyone at some point has played with dominoes during their childhood, and right as you're about to finish that 2-hour masterpiece, you watch in horror as your hard labor quickly collapses. This common mishap can be applied to modern ecology, known as the Dominoe Effect.
Hi, I'm Emma, and I like to play with dominoes. Except for when the first piece falls over, 'cause then I have to start over.
Emma, you're not alone. A lot of people screw up that first domino, especially in our ecosystem. That first domino is actually called global warming. Global warming is caused by greenhouse gases that trap heat on the Earth.
Greenhouse gases?
Yes, Emma, let me explain. There are 3 different types of greenhouse gases, the most influential being nitrous oxide, methane, and CO2.
CO2?
Yes, Emma. CO2 primarily comes from us. The 21st century has expected 6 to 12 parts per 10,000 increase since the early 20th century.
6 to 12 parts?
Yes, Emma! This causes the Earth to really heat up. And
heat up?
Shut up! There's a projected 5 to 10 degrees increase in the next century.
You done?
Yes.
So wait, that means that like everything will get really warm.
True, but we humans won't be really affected. The environment is what's really going to take the blow. Actually, the second domino are the glaciers.
Second domino?
You know what I'm talking about, right? Roll the clip.
Due to global warming, the mountain snowpack is slowly melting. The water from these glaciers feeds local rivers and lakes and provides water for the nearby environments. But due to the increase of melting, the peak of spring runoff is moving earlier into the spring. Between 1948 and 2000, reports have shown advances of 10 to 30 days. This difference of timing could disturb the entire ecosystem, thus causing another domino to fall.
So what's so big about rising temperatures?
Well, in the future, rising temperatures could create more winter rain instead of snow. Winter rain means higher winter stream flows. And winter rain and less snow means less spring or summer stream flow. This would cause
another domino to fall.
Now I think you're getting it.
A salmon's home could be destroyed when logs they hide under get washed away. Flooding reduces the supply of oxygen to soil and increases toxic gases such as hydrogen sulfide, the gas that smells like rotten eggs, which is brought in by silt. Many plants and trees, especially new growth, are intolerant to such conditions over long periods of time, resulting in a loss of our local farmlands and forests, which could affect our economy. Flooding along the Nooksack and Puget Sound coasts cause erosion and push of developmental areas farther inland. In floods, city drainage systems carry polluted water directly to the ocean, water which should have gone into a sewage treatment plant first. Landslides caused by erosion and wet soil from floods will become more apparent, and even heavy traffic roads could be shut down.
Flooding contaminates farmland, ruins salmon spawning runs, and creates a potential threat on human development. All this water then runs out to Bellingham Bay. Emma will now describe the perils of such dispersion.
It's eroded because of the high sea levels. We should do something.
Okay, so high sea levels are caused by melting glaciers. They're expected to rise by 4 to 10 inches, but by 2100 they'll be an expected like 19 inches higher, which is bad because that'll just create even more flooding.
Global warming is really starting to take more and more of a disastrous effect on our environment.
So we should do our part to stop the dominoes.
Who knows what Bellingham will look like in 50 years?
So that's the end.
Oh yeah, and it's never too late to prevent all the dominoes from falling.
And we won't want that to happen.
So do your part to save the environment.